The following message is transmitted at the request of the Juneau Police Department and the Alaska Division of Homeland Security and Emergency Management. Due to the infestation of ecumus in the lower 48 states, it has spread to other countries like Mexico, France, and Japan. And now, it is confirmed that ecumus were spotted in Juneau, and it's likely that they will spread to Fairbanks and Anchorage. Residents are advised to not panic and stay positive, as these ecumus are non-hostile to humans unless they have a negative emotion. Please stay tuned to local news information about the incident.
El gobierno de España tiene un mensaje urgente para todos los ciudadanos españoles. Nuestro país ha caído oficialmente a manos del virus Akuma. ON13 es deprimente verlos a todos llorar después de escuchar este mensaje. No queda ningún gobierno que pueda protegerte. Para nuestros momentos finales, cantaremos nuestro himno. Adiós a todos los ciudadanos españoles.
This is an emergency detail from the Tacoma Police Department and the United States government. We have bad news and good news. The bad news is just recently, Spain has officially collapsed due to the ECMO virus, or N13E. And after one day, 2 hypersonic missiles was heading straight toward our country. These missiles were launched from their new ally China. Locations being Denver, Colorado and Wichita, Kansas. The good news is that Washington State was the first to make an antidote to N13E. And the entire state of Washington is now free from ECMOS. This could not possibly be the end of the world as we thought, unless if they make the virus even stronger, causing more chaos. The antidote was discovered in Seattle. This is all the information we have. Stay tuned for more information. We will see you tomorrow.
The United States government has some great news. The antidote that was discovered in Seattle has now been used as an official cure to N13E. And now, the entire United States is now free from N13E. We may now resume your usual programming.
Urzędnicy polskiego rządu kierują niepokojący komunikat do wszystkich obywateli. Nasz kraj upadł z powodu N13. Pierwsze przypadki odnotowano na granicy polsko-niemieckiej. Nie spodziewaliśmy się, że tak się stanie. Ale nie można tego zmienić. Hymn narodowy zostanie zagrany po naszych ostatnich chwilach.
Jeszcze Polska nie